Your domain is the very first thing that anyone sees about your project. Before the website loads, before they read a single word, before they decide whether to trust you with their money, they see the domain. It should tell them exactly what you build. Right now, some of the strongest .cash names, they are still available, like go.cash, my.cash, fast.cash, easy.cash, and q.cash. And there is a free giveaway for tvl.cash. The link to enter will be in the description. So you're going to fill out the short form with your name and email, and you are in. The most successful projects in crypto, they understood this. They did not settle for a generic address. They chose domains that clearly represents what the project actually is. If you look at Zcash, it lives at z.cash because the project is encrypted electronic cash. Prompt.cash is a live payment gateway for merchants. Celine.cash is a non-custodial wallet that people use every day. Flipstarter.cash is the crowdfunding platform that funds real Bitcoin Cash infrastructure. Memo.cash runs on an on-chain social network with tips. Bliss.cash hosts the sold-out annual developer conference. Around them sit working sites like read.cash, stamps.cash, fundme.cash, and others. These are not random choices. The domain matches the product. That pattern is even clearer when you look at the projects that took the original Bitcoin white paper seriously. Satoshi called it a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Not a currency, not an asset, but cash. The builders who treated those words as a design rule claimed the domain that says the same thing, .cash. Now, .cash has been around since 2014. It is the plainest money word in any language. A merchant in any country understands it instantly. There's no crypto knowledge that is required. Now, when your domain ends with a .cash, the name itself does the explaining for you. This is the branding and prestige advantage in plain sight. The word cash survives translation, accents, and bad phone connections. A .cash domain is understood by a merchant in Lagos and a CFO in Frankfurt without a single word of explanation. That is rare. Zcash understood this when they put the words encrypted electronic cash on their homepage and parked the entire protocol at z.cash. So you inherit that recognition the moment your URL ends in .cash. If your product moves other people's money, the security layer matters. Payments is where domain spoofing actually gets people robbed. Lookalike domains using swapped characters, they are a standard phishing attack against anything that touches money. .cash comes with the standard security stuff that most modern domains have now. We have the DNS-SEC and registry locks, plus something more specific to payments, that is registry level homographic blocking, which stops lookalike versions of your name from being registered against you. For products that move other people's money, this is a real operational argument, not a footnote. There is also the answer engine optimization advantage. So when a search engine or an LLM parses a web address, a descriptive name is a relevancy signal. Someone asking an AI assistant, how do I send cash to Mexico? This is a query where a name like send.cash is doing distribution work around the clock inside the tools people now use instead of Google. The domain itself becomes a signal of trust to AI search. All of this sits inside vertical authority. .cash is the modern standard for payments, for stablecoins, settlement, and money movement. Frame it as where payments live, full stop. The projects already operating there did not invent a new category. They simply claimed the word that already described the category. Right now, the exact names that describe payments products are still available. Like we have go.cash, my.cash, fast.cash, easy.cash, q.cash. So you can get in touch through the link below to find out how to claim one. The exact match descriptive name that a payments builder wants may be difficult to secure with a traditional extension. On .cash, it is frequently still there. And there is a free giveaway that is running for one of the strongest name in the space. That is tvl.cash, which stands for total value locked, which is a core metric for every payments and DeFi team. If you are a founder or a builder or a creator, you can enter it in under a minute. So just fill out the short form in the description with your name and email, and the domain goes to one person. No purchase needed. The projects that already move real cash, they chose .cash because the domain matches what they do. The name that describes your project is still sitting there. So I would suggest that you check availability at any major registrar, claim it, or enter the giveaway for tvl.cash. The link will be in the description. And if you're confused about something, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.